Sir, but the other side is propounding a different argument using a different law. They're citing RA 1405, Section 2. And I'll try to summarize it a bit. All deposits of whatever nature with banks or banking institutions are hereby considered as absolutely confidential in nature and may not be examined, inquired, or looked into. And moving forward, except upon written permission of the depositor or in cases of impeachment or upon order of a competent court. So they're citing Section 2 of an earlier law.
Well, as I said, no? As you said, RA 1405 is a different law from RA 9160 and 11521. No? RA 1405, in my opinion, applies to banks, okay? Banks in general. If you want information and you want that the banks themselves reveal those information, then there are exceptions in that law, RA 1405 that you said, no? Consent, impeachment, okay? But the Committee on Justice did not ask the information from the banks. They asked the information from the AMLAC. So what law will govern them? Because they asked it from the AMLAC, not the banks. It's not the RA 1405. It doesn't apply to AMLAC. So it is the RA 9160 that should apply because that is the law governing AMLAC. Okay? And that law is restrictive. There is no exception, and the prohibition on AMLAC to reveal information is absolute. And the reason for that is that the AMLAC handles thousands, millions of information from several banks a day. That's why they treat it as sensitive, confidential information, because you have with you the power of freezing accounts, the power to inquire in bank inquiry orders, and the law provides limitations on that powers of the AMLC. And one of these limitations is you cannot divulge any information to anybody because this information are supposed to be confidential to help the AMLAC in their investigation of money laundering offenses. Kaya nga po AMLA siya, Anti-Money Laundering Council. They are limited to investigating money laundering offenses using the information and transactions reported by the banks. So that is the limited authority of AMLAC in investigating money laundering offense. That's why the law provide a limitation that you cannot divulge information revealed by the banks and transmitted to the AMLAC for purposes solely for investigating money laundering offenses.
Yes, sir.
So that is the limitation.
Yes, sir. If I may squeeze in one more, let me just qualify. I'm not a lawyer, so
None of us are.
I'm just basing this on things that
sorry.
I read. Anyway, sir, but going back to the Public Act 1405, the law does not appear to be restricted only to what banks may or may not do. It's in reference to the disclosure of deposits with any banking institution. So it's not specific to any action only of banks, but it's specific to the information contained in banking institutions. So I'm wondering lang
That's
if
it.
that
The word.
qualifies things.
That's the word, banking institution. And what does banking institutions mean? The banks within the Philippines, the banks that are given license by the Banco Central of the Philippines to operate. So AMLC is not a banking institution. Okay? It is a council that investigates money laundering offenses. That is why there is a different law, a more recent law, because 1405 is a 1955 law. And this RA 11521, amending 9160, is a recent law in 2021. So precisely, this recent law governs the transactions or information gathered by AMLC. So it is our opinion, and I think the law itself is clear, that the AMLC is prohibited, absolutely prohibited from and that has a purpose to stabilize confidential information to secure banking industry.